Presenting Amazon brand Solimo Medusa Engineered Wood 3-Door Wardrobe. The dimensions of this wardrobe are 112.5 centimeters of length by 45 centimeters of width by 183 centimeters of height, and it weighs 83 kilograms. The wardrobe is made of engineered wood, ensuring durability and sturdiness. It features a contemporary design and a long-lasting smooth wenge finish. This spaciously designed 3-door wardrobe includes multiple shelves, hanging storage and a lockable drawer for efficient organization. It is also equipped with a mirror in the front. Inside the box, you will find one Medusa engineered wood 3-door wardrobe with drawer and mirror in wenge finish. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.